This is a Waltham size 18, model 1883. This particular piece was built around, I think, pre-1910 or thereabouts. It's a beautiful watch. It is a lever set, so you actually have to unscrew the bezel. There's a little arm you open, you move here to set it. Do not pull the crown out. It's a lever set watch. This one is made with coin silver. It's really, really nice. We'll walk through all of the steps that had to take place to clean and adjust the movement, and then we'll take a look at the movement, the clean movement. And here it is running very strong. Actually, it's a silver alloy case, and I've tuned it in quite nicely. This one keeps great time, excellent time. Beautiful size 18 Waltham pocket watch, model 1883.